Hi everyone, welcome to Bokaro Defense Academy. I am Subhas and today we are going to discuss what can be the expected cutoff of SSC GD 2021 and 22 of Andhra Pradesh state. This data has been prepared by taking the reference of what was the cutoff of 2018 vacancy and what is the number of vacancy this time and how much candidates who have qualified for a PET. Taking all such references, this data has been prepared so that we can give you a rough idea what can be the expected cutoff of final merit list. Okay, now let us see what can be the expected cutoff. See, this is the general area and this is the Naxal area. We all know that in Andhra Pradesh there is vacancy for only general area and Naxal area. There is no vacancy for border area. We are going to discuss all forces vacancy one by one: BSF, CISF, SSB, ITBP, Assam Rifles. So let's begin. Let us see what can be the cutoff of BSF. Okay, for general area total number of vacancy is 25 for SC category and the expected final merit list cutoff can go up to 38 plus. If any candidates who has a score 38 in PET, he can be assured that he will clear the final merit list cutoff. Okay, now let us see ST. Total number of vacancies is 11 and expected cutoff can go up to 36 plus. Okay, and OBC total number of vacancy 42. Final merit list cutoff can go up to 44 plus. Regarding the general unreserved, total number of vacancy is 63 and the cutoff can go up to 45 plus. EWS total number of vacancy is 16 and the expected cutoff can go up to 30 plus. See, now one by one you can also check the score. If any candidates whose score is more than what has been shown in this column, he can be assured that he will clear the final merit list cutoff and he will soon wear the uniform. See, your DME is soon going to start. Most probably it will begin from next month. From 20 August to 30 August your DME may be completed. Okay, now let us see what can be the cutoff of CISF. See, this is the total number of vacancy. For general region, total number of vacancy is 157 and this is the distributions how 157 vacancy has been distribution between different categories. And this is the total number of vacancy in Naxal region and this is their distributions. Let us see what can be the expected cutoff of CISF. For general area, total number of vacancy in CISF is 186 and for Naxal area, total number of vacancies is 346. Now let us see what can be the expected final merit list cutoff of each category in CISF. Okay, let us see. Total number of vacancies is 30. Their expected cutoff can go up to 39 plus. Hi friends, CISF cutoff is maximum among all the forces because maximum number of candidates give their first priority as the CISF, then they give priority to other forces. Okay, now see, total number of vacancy for ST is 13 and their final merit list can go up to 36 plus. 6 marks will increase. For OBC, total number of vacancy is 50. Their final merit list can go up to 42 plus. For unreserved, total number of vacancies 74. Their final merit list can go up to 45 plus. If any candidates who has a score 45 plus, then he will get CISF. For EWS, there are total number of 19 vacancy and the expected final merit list cutoff can be up to 31 plus. Okay, one by one you can check the score. Any candidates has scored more what has been shown in this column, then he is assured that he will clear the final merit list cutoff. Okay, now let us see what can be the expected cutoff of SSB. For SSB, total number of vacancy for general area is 93 and for Naxal area is 87. See, for SSB general area SC category, total number of vacancies 15. their expected cutoff can be 37 plus. For ST, there is total number of 7 vacancy and their expected final merit list can go up to 36 plus. For general area, total number of vacancies 25 OBC and expected cutoff can be 43 plus. For unreserved, total number of vacancies 37 and their expected cutoff can be above 44 plus. Okay, this is the cutoff of SSB. You can also check from this chart. If your score is above the score shown in this column, then you are safe. Now we will discuss the next force, that is ITBP. Let us see what can be the cutoff of ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Total number of vacancy for general area is 30 and total number of vacancy for Naxal area is 28. Now let us see. For SC category, total number of vacancy is 5 and the expected cutoff can be above 40 plus. See, there are less number of vacancy in ITBP, so there is a maximum chance that their cutoff will be high in this time. Okay. For ST region, there are only 2 vacancy and their expected cutoff can be 37 above. For general area, total number of vacancy is 8. List cutoff will be above 44. Okay. From this chart, you can check your score one by one. Now let us see what will be the expected cutoff of Assam Rifle. That is, let us discuss what can be the expected cutoff of Assam Rifles. See, there are total number of 78 vacancy in general area and total number of 72 vacancy for Naxal area. See, there are total vacancy of 12 in general SC category and their expected cutoff will be 39 above. For ST category, there are 5 vacancy. Their expected final merit list cutoff will be above 36 plus. For OBC, there are 21 vacancy and their cutoff will be 45 plus. 45. For unreserved, there are 31 vacancy and their expected cutoff will be above 46. For EWS, there are 9 vacancy and their expected cutoff can be 31 plus. For Naxal region, for SC category, there are 12 vacancy. Final merit cutoff will be 35 plus. So this was all about the what can be the expected final merit list cutoff of Andhra Pradesh. If you really like this video, please subscribe this channel and share it to the maximum number of candidates so that they can also be benefited. At